Just keep believing there's something in this crazy world for me. The way people come and go through temporary lives, my chance to come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. That's what I'll find. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will come for me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 AM without a friend inside. But I'm alright. I know I need to be loved. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection or acquiring perfect words, and from another thing, that's what I find. I know I need to be loved. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect words, and full enough to think. That's what I'll find.